Welcome to Techonica, the Java tutorial channel. Today, we will go through an overview of the Java programming language. What is Java? Java is an object-oriented programming language. Everyone must have heard the term object-oriented programming. But the question is Java a pure object-oriented programming? The answer is no. Java is not a pure object. Why? Java uses primitive data types like int, float, which are not objects. Even though there are wrapper classes which we will follow up in the later sessions, which can be used alternate to this primitive data types, Java still uses these primitive data types in its system. So Java cannot be considered as a complete object. When it comes to object-oriented programming, there are three major OOPS principles. The first one is encapsulation, the second is inheritance, and the third is polymorphism. Encapsulation means protecting the code from unauthorized access, like a wrapper that prevents the code and data from being arbitrarily accessed by other code defined outside the wrapper. So Java provides this security and implements this OOPS principle. The next is inheritance. Inheritance is the process by which one object acquires the property. Inheritance supports the concept of hierarchical classification. The third is polymorphism. Polymorphism, actually from Greek origin, the word, it means many forms. One particular function or one particular method can have many. For example, if you are implementing a bank application and there is a balance method which calculates the balance. So what a user need to call is a balance function. So even if the account is a current account or a savings account, the balance function only will return the balance of the account. So the balance function, it has, so polymorphism is a feature that allows one interface to be used for a general class of actions. The specific action is determined by the exact nature of the Java programming language was conceived by James Gosling and team at SunMicrosystems in 1991. It was initially called Oak and then renamed as Java in 1995. Java is a platform-independent programming language. Earlier, when Java was introduced at first in 1991, C and C++ was flourishing. The main advantage that Java has to offer was that it was platform independent. Platform independent in the sense that once we write a Java program and compile it, that program can be run on any operating systems. That is what platform independence is. We will have a session later on how Java is implementing this platform independence in its systems, maybe next session. And one more thing I want to introduce in this intro is that Java is a strongly typed language. Strongly typed in the sense that if you are familiar with any other scripting language like JavaScript, for example, so you can declare a variable var and you can give the name of that variable. This variable can accommodate a string, an int, a float, or an object or an array. And that is not the case in Java. In Java, we have to explicitly tell the compiler what value it is going to get assigned. This is just an introductory session on what is Java language actually. We will continue these sessions and go through all the important features of Java We will try to learn it in the Java 9 way using jshell. So please let me know your suggestions and comments. Thank you.